guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we are showing you a little secret that we have been messing with over the last 2 months or so. So listen to this. Now you heard the noise. It happens to almost all power windows. It's just a matter of time before it does happen, as I mentioned. But what I want to do, do you remember this video right here? The reason I'm showing this to you is because we have yet to find a better glass cleaner than this stuff right here. It does more than that, and I want to show you. Watch this. People ask, why does it make that noise? It's because of this seal right down here on the inside and the outside. And sometimes it has to do with the tracks, but usually it's the bottom seal. We have yet to find anything that will clean the glass this clean. And you have to think of it this way. If they're going to use it on paint, they know you're going to use it on glass, right? So it's got to come out spotless. Done. Now people are using this stuff on their interior glass in their house and are blown away from it. We have never been able to clean glass this fast as we're doing right now on customers' cars. And we're using it on the interior door panels and plastic as well. Crazy how good it works.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Alright, that glass is as spotless as you're going to get. Now check this out. Watch how fast that glass goes and listen for noise. And I'll keep my cloth here, moving it around so you know we're not speeding the camera up or anything like that. Look at that. Night and day difference in the speed.